Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. I am so excited to show you this dish today because this dish is all about saving money. It's about being individuals that can pick up something for the holiday season when you go to your family's house as an appetizer and not have to use dishes and create a bunch of waste, and everyone is happy. Today's dish, I picked something that my family loves. All of these ingredients my family loves. So we have your different meats. We have your salamis and your pepperonis. Then we also have the Petite sweet pickles. We have mozzarella cheese balls. We have some sharp cheddar that I chopped into blocks. We have cherry tomatoes. And then for your olives, we have the kalamata olives and we have the green olives. Now, for garnish, you need the garnish for the holidays. It makes every dish just look amazing. So for garnish, we have rosemary and then I got some fresh basil. So head over to your local Tops. They have all of this to make it beautiful. You can use a chopping board, which I use sometimes, or I have a circular plate, which makes it look like a wreath, a really, really cute wreath. So with this, super simple. Grab some sticks, some toothpicks, some of the longer toothpicks, and just have at it. You can do in any order you want. As you see, I did multiple different orders. With some, I did the meat, then the mozzarella, the olives. One tip that you really want to try to practice is to mix up the colors. Pile it around your plate or your cutting board, whatever you choose to use, in a circular motion. So have some fun with that. And then after I went around, there were some gaps. I actually filled it in by creating a second layer. After that second layer, I put in my sprigs of rosemary, topped it off with some basil, and voila, no mess, and everybody's happy. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. Happy holidays. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Close Mentor.